Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we're going to check out Little Mix Secret Love official music video. I'm not really sure if this is a new video or what, but I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. Wait, is that London? Yes, it's London.
Me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor. I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours.
Oh my god.
We keep behind closed
Man, their
doors.
voice.
Every time I see you, I die a little more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough.
And their voice sounds so freaking good, bruh. Oh my god. It just sounds so like Celine Dion vibes-ish. For some young girls, they sound like super.
But I'll never show it on my face. But we know this. We got a love that is homeless. Why can't you hold
Yo, I knew Perrier would have come in with that heavy ass voice. Man, Perrier literally have the vocals. Her voice is so like powerful. She's like a Mariah Carey of the group. She has the powerful voice. Is that Jason? What the hell? Why wasn't his name in the song? Oh yes, his name is the song. Oh my god. It's crazy. I didn't even realize. I like Jason Derulo, bro. He's cool. Leia Ann, my girl, come true. Anybody who is in love right now needs to listen to this song. Kinda like jerk you, give you a little jerk. Emotions.
I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours.
Hear that, bruh? Yo! Don't be like that. Be like that. Yo, I'm not bullshitting, bro. Well, listen, this girl have a lot of clout and a lot of credit, so whatever I said, you guys know it's true. They sound so damn good, bro. Like, that's the epic vocals of Perrier with a load of vocals. Jesse, give me a vibe of Celine Dion. Perrier, can I remember of Mariah Carey? We all know Mariah Carey is like probably one of the best vocalists ever. And Leia Ann is like a Whitney type Houston vibes. And even I think even Jade kind of sound similar to Perrier, to Jesse. And it's the guy, they sound kind of similar. But these girls are crazy good talented. No wonder why they reign so long. Because dude, their voices are killing it. Their vibes and their voice is killing it. No wonder why they reign so long. But anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share it, all those good things when the channel grow. Peace out. Enough love. Yeah.